The topic of today's video is how to set reminders in Outlook. Alright guys, so here we are in the Microsoft Outlook app, and it's going to be the same for the web version. And what you want to do is go to the top left of the screen and click on the new items drop down. Then in here you'll see appointments. So we're going to use an appointment as a reminder. And then what you want to do is just type in a title. Set your start time and end time. On the left is date and on the right is time. Then we have these two boxes here to set all day, or we can change time zones, as well as the blue option here to make this a recurring reminder. Next, because this is an appointment, we can set a location for it. I'll just put in something random. And then you can type in information. So let's say if it's a reminder, you would set it and say it's for your driver's license or whatever. Pay this bill or something like that. Now, if you want other people in your reminder, what you can do is just click on invite attendees, and then you can put in their email addresses as well. All right, so when you're done there, all you need to do is hit send. And now if you go to the calendar, you can see there your reminder is set. And that is how easy it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And I'll see you in the next video.